Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your social studies class. Myself, Alvina Gill, your social studies teacher. Today, we are going to start chapter number 15, Natural Vegetation. So, I request you all to open your books, page number 121, lesson number 15, Natural Vegetation, theme 5. Natural vegetation. So, we are going to discuss in this chapter regarding different types of forest, vegetations, and usefulness of forest. So, please open your books. Let's move. Observe your surroundings carefully. You will find different types of trees, plants, shrubs, etc. that grow on their own. These are collectively known as natural vegetation. Natural vegetation is a great gift of nature. Natural factors like climate and soil helps us in growth of natural vegetation. Like when you see around you, there are many different types of trees, small plants, shrubs are there. Nobody is growing them. They grow on their own. And these are collectively only known as natural vegetation. It is a gift of nature. Like we have different natural factors like climate and soil helps them to grow. Okay. Now, forests are the most significant natural vegetation on the earth. Forests refer to the large area of land covered chiefly with different types of trees and undergrowth. Now, what the thing is that forests, they are the most significant natural vegetation on the earth. They refers to a large area of the land that is covered with different types of trees and undergrowth. Now, each country should have at least 1/3 of its total area under natural vegetation. Presently, about 1/3 of the Indian land is under forest cover. So, we are now 1/3 of the total land should be under natural vegetation. Presently, our India, it is under 1/3 of the land is under forest cover, and we have 5 types of natural vegetation in India. Let's see. Tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorny forest, mangrove forest, coniferous forest. So, we have 5: tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, thorny forest, mangrove forest, and coniferous forest. So, first of all, now we are going to discuss each type of forest. So, firstly, we have tropical evergreen forest. Okay? Evergreen forests are found in regions of very heavy rainfall, generally over 200 centimeter yearly. These are found in Odisha, the Western Ghats, the northeastern regions of India. Rosewood, mahogany, teak, sal, and ebony are the main trees of the tropical evergreen forest. They remain green throughout the year. Now, first of all, where these type of forests are found? Means they are found where there is very heavy rainfall, over 200 centimeter yearly. And the areas where these forests are found are Odisha, Western Ghat, and the northeastern regions of India. And types of trees which are found in evergreen forest are rosewood, mahogany, teak, sal, and ebony. Okay? And they remain green throughout the year. Now moving ahead, here we have the map where it is marked. All different types of forests are shown. As you can see in the key, we have alpine vegetation, desert vegetation in orange, blue lit are brown is mountain subtropical. So different keys are given here in the map, which are showing the different forests where in India they are located. These are ebony, okay, trees which are found in evergreen forest. Now moving ahead, we have tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests are found in regions of rainfall between 100 and 200 centimeter yearly. These forests are found in Deccan Plateau and in the Himalayan foothills. Sesame, sandalwood, sal and teak are significant trees of these forests. Now, our tropical deciduous, they are found in the regions of rainfall where the rainfall is between 100 and 200 centimeter yearly. And the areas where these forests are found are Deccan Plateau and the Himalayan foothills. And the main trees which are found in tropical deciduous are your sesame, sandalwood, sal and teak. Okay, they are the significant trees. As you can see the picture, sal, teak, sesame. These are the trees which are found in the tropical deciduous forest. Trees of these forests shed their leaves in the particular season, means they have the particular season of the shedding of the leaves. They are also known as the monsoon forest. They are known as the monsoon forest. They are the main natural vegetation of our country. Moving ahead with the next one. Third one, we have thorny forest. Thorny forests are found in the regions with the 50 centimeter to 100 centimeter of rainfall. Okay, these forests are widespread in the drier regions of the country. The vegetation is very sparse in these areas. Kikar, date palm and babul are the main vegetation of these forests. As thorny forest means they are found where it is very low rainfall is there, like 50 to 100 centimeter, and they are in the regions of drier, like in the desert type areas these forests are found. And in this vegetation is very sparse in these areas. And the main trees which are found in thorny forest are your kikar, date palm and babul. Okay, as you can see in the picture, kikar tree and the date palm one. Moving ahead with the mangrove forest. These are found in the deltaic areas of rivers like the Ganga, Godavari and Mahanadi. The Sundari is the most significant tree of these forests. This region is also called the Sundarbans. Mangrove forests are also known as the tidal forest. Now, we are discussing about the mangrove forest. They are found in the deltaic areas of rivers like Ganga and Godavari Mahanadi. So, the main significant tree of this forest are Sundari, as you can see in the picture also. Okay, these regions are called the Sundarbans. And mangrove forest, they have the other name also, that is the tidal forest. They are also known as tidal forests. Now, coniferous forest. These forests are found in the Himalayan region of India. Pine, cedar, silver fir and deodar are the main trees found in the coniferous forest. Conifers bear cones. They are called as coniferous forests. They have evergreen needle-like or scale-like leaves so that snow does not collect over them. Now, these forests are mainly found in the Himalayan region. Himalayan region, they have snow. So, the main trees which are found in these type of forests are pine, cedar, silver fir and deodar. They are the main trees that are found in the coniferous. As you can see in the picture, silver fir trees are shown. So, these are called coniferous forests and they are evergreen, means their leaves are type needle like. ठीक है, scale like leaves. क्यों होती है ऐसी? ताकि snow does not collect over them, as they are found in the Himalayan region where there is lot of snowfall is there. Okay. Now, discussing about the usefulness of the forest, means what are the uses of the forest we have. Forests are precious natural resources. They are gestures very useful for human beings in the following ways. Means they play a very vital role in our life and they are very useful for the human beings. Let's see what are the ways they are useful. Forests are the storehouse of oxygen, means they are the storehouse of oxygen because they provide oxygen to breathe. They absorb carbon dioxide, means they absorb the carbon dioxide in which is in the environment and supply oxygen in the air. In this way, they are great purifier of the atmosphere. Forests prevent soil erosion. Soil erosion is prevented due to the forest as the land is covered with the forest. So, it prevents soil erosion. They enhance the quality of soil and make it fertile. Even forests enhance the quality of the soil and make it fertile. Forests are rich sources of wood that is used for making windows, doors, furniture, etc. Okay? Forests also provide resin, gum, rubber, etc. Means forests are providing many things like you can see furniture we are getting from forest, gum, rubber for making paper, wood pulp is used. So forests are very useful for us. As you can see, forests are the home for a variety of herbs that are used to prepare different types of medicine. Means they are used for preparing the medicine also, as we have different herbs in the forest or trees we have plants, so they are used in the medicine also. Okay, now conservation of forest. Conservation of forest resources is necessary to maintain a good and balanced environment. Today, trees are being cut down extensively. This has resulted into deforestation. Deforestation carries many problems like soil erosion, floods, landsliding, etc. To solve these problems, we have to plant more and more trees to prevent the trees from being cut. Now, conservation, like it is necessary to maintain the good and balanced environment. Okay, so as you can see today, many rashly they are cutting down the trees for their needs, and this has resulted into deforestation. And deforestation, due to deforestation, many problems we have to face, see, like soil erosion, floods, landsliding, etc. So to solve these problems, we have to prevent the trees from being cutting down. Okay, now deforestation means cutting down of trees on a large scale. Now we will discuss about the Chipko movement. The Chipko movement is the movement that started in 1973 by the people of Uttar Pradesh. Now it is also in Uttarakhand. Sundar Lal Bahuguna started the Chipko movement. Okay, the members of Chipko movement refused to allow forest to be cut down by the forest contractor. Now, the Chipko movement, it was started in 1973 by the people of Uttar Pradesh. Now, that area comes in Uttarakhand, and it was mainly started by the Sundar Lal Bahuguna. Okay, he has started this movement. What happened in Chipko movement? The members of Chipko movement, they hug the trees and they don't allow the contractors to cut down the trees. Now, as you can see in the picture, they hug the trees to save them. The popular slogan of Chipko movement is ecology is the permanent economy. So this was the Chipko movement. Now, Van Mahotsav and social forestry programs are introduced by the government of India. Under these programs, rural people are encouraged to plant more and more trees. Children are also motivated to take active part in these programs. Now, many programs have been started to grow the trees. As you can see, Van Mahotsav and social forestry program. This was introduced by the government in India. What the people are doing under this program, in the rural people are encouraged to plant more and more trees, and children are also motivated to take active part in the program. As we can see, this program is also done in our schools also, to plant the trees. Okay, now just to add in your knowledge, we have some information here. You can see the river Ganga and Brahmaputra from the world's largest delta named the Sundarbans. The Sundarbans are famous for the Sundari trees and Royal Bengal tigers. Noted environmentalist Sundar Lal Bahuguna was born in the village Maroda near Tehri on 9 January 1927. He is a staunch follower of Gandhiji's philosophy of ahimsa and Satyagraha. He led the Chipko movement, which inspired the Chipko movement in Karnataka. He is the recipient of the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2009. So, students, I request you all to read the chapter once again and try to understand about the different types of forest. We have mainly 5. So you should read all the main points of all the forests, where they are found, in which type of climate they are found, okay, and what are the main trees of these forests. So please read the chapter once again. You will be able to understand more clearly if you will read. Okay. Till then, thank you everyone. Stay fit, stay at home, and keep studying. Thank you everyone.